how to increase font size on Snapchat. So if you want to increase the font size on your Snapchat, then what you need to do is we don't have that option on Snapchat individually, but you can just go with your settings, and under settings you can go with search, which is on the top right, and then you can search for font size. Tap on it, and from here you'll be able to change the font size, like you can increase or decrease that font size. Or there's also another way. You can open up your Snapchat. After that, go with a random chat, and once you're under the chat, you need to tap on the message, send a chat box, and here you need to write something. Once you've written something, here on the right side you will have two like arrows, right? Upper arrow and lower arrow. So you just need simply tap on it and then drag it to the upwards and release to send. In the same way, you can also decrease your font size. Just tap on it and then drag down. So in this way, you'll be able to increase or decrease the font size on your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.